Hello everyone. Hey beauty connoisseurs, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below, and also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. I would love to have you to become a part of the Beauty Connoisseur family. If you are interested in this cute little human hair unit that I'm wearing, it is by the Wig Dealer, and I will leave the information card for that right up here. Well, today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And what I have today is a Bobbi Boss unit, and her name is Avery. This is how Avery's stock card looks, and I have it in the color TT4 Ash Blonde. So let's slide this paper off so we can see this ash blonde. And here's what she's looking like. She looks like she's about 18 inches long. She has some layers. Here is parting space. You have a light brown lace, and here's the cap construction underneath. You have your two combs, and the one coming in the back with the breathable cap. And this is a right side part. So I'm going to cut the lace and put on Avery. Okay, I put Avery on, and I wanted to let you know that I got her from Ebony line, and she was $25.62. So there's no baby hairs. This is what the hairline looks like, and comes just about, yeah, it does come ear to ear, and it's a right side part. Yay! And that's what it looks like. And this is all the hair to the front. It's very soft and lightweight, and I'm loving the color. It's definitely brown girl friendly or melanin friendly. So let me brush it out real quick. It lays nice at the top, and I really like this layer right here. And it's just a very soft body wave. It's not real straight, but so this is the length. And like I said, it's about 18 or 20 inches. And it comes to my waist, but I'm only 4'11". So here's the back. And it doesn't need baby hairs. So I think I'm going to put some powder in the part and do something about the flyaways that I see. And I think that's all we'll need to do to Avery. So I got some shedding, and that's to be expected with, you know, a blonde wig, blonde synthetic wig. It's not really tangling. The brush is gliding right through. It's not very thick. It's just the right density. It's lightweight enough for me to wear in the summer, but I don't sweat in my head. So, you know, I wear long wigs in the summertime. And if I think I'm gonna get too hot, then I will like pull it back into a ponytail, just a low pony, sometimes a side pony like that, and just kind of let it come to the side. But yeah, I really like this, and I always like the fibers that Bobbi Boss uses in their hair. It's always really, really excellent. So that's why I'm not surprised that I'm not getting tangling. So I think she's cute. I think she's pretty. I like her, and I will be wearing her this summer, definitely, for sure. So let's find some sunnies. So that's going to be it for this review. And please like, comment, and share. Give it a thumbs up. And thanks always for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.